today's video, I'm gonna show you how to earn $750 per day just by watching YouTube videos. You don't need to have any previous experience, of course, because you're gonna be watching videos. You don't need to sell anything. It's completely free to start. You don't need any money, and anyone can do this and get paid anywhere in the world. So the first website you're gonna head off to is youtube.com. So go to youtube.com and search for some type of interesting video. In my case, the examples I'll be giving you in this video is conspiracy videos. So went ahead and searched for some type of conspiracy theory. This is something I know people have a lot of interest in, and if you scroll down here on the page, you can see this video here has 1 million views and this other one here has almost 1 million views, and this is the top 20 conspiracy theories that turn out to be true. So this is very interesting, and I know a lot of people are going to be interested in watching this type of videos, and each one of this video that you get here to watch, you're going to get paid between $250 to $500 per video you watch. So buckle up, because I'm about to show you how to make $1,000 using this method every single day. And from now on, just follow my every step, and by the end of this video, you're gonna be ready to start making money. So regarding these videos, the reason we're gonna search for them is because you're gonna copy the video and save the thumbnail. And the way you're gonna do this, you're gonna right click this video and you're gonna copy the link address. So right click the video and copy the link address. Next, you're gonna come to this website here, which is a YouTube video thumbnail downloader. I'm gonna leave all the links on the description, and what you're gonna do here, you're gonna go and paste the link that you just copied right here. As you can see here, it already pop up the thumbnail here to download it. So what you're gonna do, it's gonna press download here, and here you're gonna right click again, save image as, and just save it on your computer. Always write the link video down so you don't lose it. Next, you want to head over to Canva. If you do not have an account, you can create one really quick. It's 100% free. Canva is one of the best websites down there that you can use it to create any type of design that you get from the internet. So after you create your account, what you want to do is you want to come to the search bar and write a Pinterest pin, and then if you look here, you want to choose the second one here. After you search, you're going to be seeing a lot of templates here, but you don't want to be using this template, so you're going to come to the left side here and you're going to choose this create a blank Pinterest pin, and you're gonna click it. Now remember the thumbnail that we downloaded from the video, you want to upload it here, and from that we just gotta go here to uploads, and then you're gonna upload a file, and you choose the file and it's gonna upload here. Now what you want to be doing is you're gonna grab this image here and you're gonna drop it on the blank spot. So now what you want to do is you want to put it all the way to the top here, and we're gonna make this image large. So we're gonna drag this down part here all the way down, and now what we want to do is to select the most interesting thing on the image right now. So it's this part here is the most interested on it. Now you want to make this image a little more interesting so people are gonna click on it, and for that you're gonna head over here to elements, and here you can choose a let's right here circle, and if you look down here you have graphics. Let's choose this one here. You click it and it's gonna pop up on your image. And now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna make it a little bigger first, like this, and you want to drag it right in the middle. So this is gonna generate more curiosity on people. It's gonna grab their attention right away. And now what I'm gonna be doing here, I'm gonna change the color of this circle here to red to make it stand out even more. Okay, looks a little better. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add an arrow. So for that, you just click on elements again, and you can see here the first one already says arrow. I'm gonna choose an arrow. I can choose this one. So again, I'm just gonna drag it down. If you want to reverse the image, you just click here on the flip, and then you flip vertical. Okay, so I fix here the arrow. Now I want to change the color as well to red so it grabs people attention. So we're gonna be talking about conspiracy theories. People are gonna look at this and they're gonna generate a lot of curiosity. People are gonna think, oh, what's going on here? And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna write something as well. So I have written this, they don't want you to know this. I put it red as well. I'm gonna drop it, and actually I'm gonna add another element down here. So you can come here to element, and let's add let's see here the shapes. So let's put a square, and you can grab it and put it down here, and you just stretch it all the way. Now let's change the color this to white so the text are gonna stand out. See here, looks perfect. So just a little more this. So now people are gonna clearly be able to read. They don't want you to know this. There's an arrow pointed to something, a circle. So this here generates a lot of curiosity in people. And before I show you the method that you're gonna be able to make at least $200 per video. If you're liking this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and you hit the like button, because I'll be posting 3 videos every week showing you guys different methods on how to make money online. And after that, what you want to be doing is you're gonna download this to your computer. So you're gonna go here to the top, share, and then you're just gonna press download. You can leave the size here and then you're gonna press download, and it's gonna download straight to your computer. Now pay attention to this part, because this is what you're gonna be using to make money, and this is probably what you're waiting for. The website we're gonna be using to make money is called cpagrip.com, and I'll leave the text file in the description with all the links and resources that you're gonna need. And all you have to do to get ready on this website here is gonna head over here to register. All you have to do to register here, you can see here they have the indicate required field on red stars. So just your name, your first name, last name, so the street, your address, right, where you're from, the zip code, your number, Skype. I know there's a lot of people that don't use Skype. I don't myself, so you can just make up any name here. They're not gonna check it. And after that, you just come here to publish type, and for publish type you're gonna choose a web instant, and then you're gonna put your email, your password, confirm your password, your time zone, and you agree to the terms. All right, so I have created here a new account, probably the 150 account that I create for this website. And what you want to do here when you get to the website is you want to come here to monetization tools, and the tool we're gonna be using here today is called URL file lockers. And what this is gonna do for you is every time someone click to see your video, they're gonna click on the link and they're gonna do the human verification. So you know, when you get on those websites that you have the captcha that you just have to confirm that you are a human, this is basically what it is. People before watching your video, they're gonna click on the captcha, and every time they do that, you're gonna get paid for that. So all you have to do, like I just said, you're gonna click here on monetization tools, URL file lockers, and then what you have to do is create new content locker now, and you just gotta agree to the terms and click continue. And now what you have to do here is you have to set this up, and for that you can see here we have to choose first a template, and you can see here styles, HTML, advanced, and here on template you're gonna click template, and you can see here they have some templates here. I'm gonna choose this human verification template, so you just click on this, and now you can go back here to general, and you can give it a name to this if you want. I'm gonna leave it like this. So now we have to set this up. You can see here we have a button text, that is this button here that people are gonna be clicking. So I have written some stuff here. So on the button text here, I just put watch the full video for free. So it's this button right here, right? This part here you don't have to mess with it. The header text, so I put click here to complete the human verification to prove that you are not a robot, to be able to watch the full video for free. And also here on anchor text, I put here waiting for human verification to watch the free video. Here you can see show offers. So if you choose 3 more, this is how many offers they're gonna show to people. So if you click here on auto show offer, you can see that the offers that you choose is gonna pop up here. So you can leave it 3 offers. So every time people click on your offer, you're gonna get paid for this. If you want to know how much you want to get paid, I'm gonna show you right now. To know how much you're gonna get paid, you can come down here to show offer and you're gonna click it. So this here is like a table of offers. So depending on which country you're offering from, they're gonna have different prices. So if you can see here from the US, they got offers between $2 to 21 cents. But if you choose another country like European country, you're gonna have different offers. We can see it now here. As you can see here, Germany is paying up to $21. So this is gonna be dependent on where the person is located when they click your video. So let's say if the person that click your video is from Germany and they click your offer, you're gonna get paid up to $21. So in the US, if someone clicks on your video and the offer is $2, you're gonna get paid $2. So it's gonna pretty much depends on where people are clicking from. So let's do the math really quick. Using this method, it's pretty reasonable that you're gonna be driving the traffic from at least 1,000 people. So 1,000 people are gonna see your offer. Let's say that from 1,000 people, half of that are gonna click and decide to see your video. And let's say that at least 250 people are gonna do the captcha to watch the full video. By doing this verification that we know is free, you can get paid up to $21. Let's say that you get paid at least $5 per click. So this is gonna be $1,250 per each video that you upload. And you can do this to as many videos as you like. But let's say that you get only half of this value. So it's $625 for each video that you put up. So just for the person doing the free captcha on your video. And just imagine if you have 5, 10, 15, 20 videos like this running on the background. And this you just have to set up one, is gonna work on autopilot. But let's get rid of this calculator here and let's hide the offer manager. And before we press save, all you have to do on this locked link, this is where you're gonna paste the link link of the video that you just copied. So remember I told you to leave somewhere safe, so you go back it and you're gonna paste it right here. After you paste the link from your video, you're just gonna press save. So after this, all we have to do is want to get links. This is gonna be the link for your offer, so you just come here and copy this. So you copy the link, and then what you want to do is the same as the other one. You're gonna keep it somewhere safe, so you can put the same place that you left the other link saved. After you've done this, if you want, you can close CPA grip for now. So the website we're gonna be using to drive people into our link is called pinterest.com. As you can see here, people are posting pins here, and on the bottom of every pin you can see that people are leaving a link on it. So once you click on this link, you're gonna be redirected to the link, and this is exactly what we're gonna be doing here. If you do not have an account to Pinterest, you can create one really quick. All you need is your email and your name. You can even log in with your Google account if you have one. Now what you want to do is head over here to create, and then you're gonna create a pin, and on this part here we're gonna upload the picture that we have created from the thumbnail. So now after you have uploaded your image, what you want to be doing here is you want to add a title to your picture. So for that, we're gonna head over to the video, and here on the video we can just copy this title here, and we're gonna paste it back on Pinterest. And I'll be copying just this beginning right here, so you can just copy again, go back to Pinterest, and where it says here tell everyone what your pin is about, you're gonna paste it again. And the reason why you want to do this, you want to add some context to your image so people are gonna know what it's about. We have a title, but it's good to add more information so people are gonna be really curious and click on it to see the full video. And here where I have destination link, you are not gonna put the YouTube video link. What you're gonna be doing here, you're gonna add the captcha link here, because people are gonna click on your link, they're gonna do the captcha, and then they're gonna be redirected to the final destination that is the YouTube video. So every time they do that, you're gonna get paid. So I'm gonna go here to my text file, I'm gonna copy the link, and now I'll come down here and I'll just paste the link. And after you've done that, all you have to do is come to the top here and you press save. Since you just created your account, you're not gonna have a board here, but you can create one really quick. So I went ahead and created one here really quick, and after you have your name from the board here, all you have to do is press create, and then you can come here and save it. So after you do that, it's officially posted on Pinterest, and people now are gonna start seeing your offer. So every time someone clicks on your offer, you're gonna get paid. So just to recap this method, all you have to do is to choose a YouTube video, then you're gonna create a thumbnail for it, and then you go to CPA, create an offer, and then put it on Pinterest. And every time people click on your link, you're gonna get paid. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and push the like button. Also, if you have any questions, you can comment down below.